We will then be going back to the base map we saved earlier and opening this up in Photoshop to do some editing before putting it into QGIS. You can now see we've got the map open in Photoshop, and this is where we will be extracting each flood level depth into its own layer. This is because we want to be able to geo-reference it back in QGIS. We're doing it this way because we haven't been able to find any data that we can easily pop into QGIS. So this is a way that you can work around that by geo-referencing. The reason why we are turning each layer into a PNG before it's geo-referenced is so then we can export it separately. And once it is in QGIS, we are then able to vectorize it, change its layer, and it will work similar to exporting a proper QGIS file. Okay, so now we will start extracting each depth layer. We're just going to follow the legend here and start from 0.0 to 0.03 and then work our way through. So just going to Magic Wand tool here. I'm keeping the tolerance down to 5 to make sure that that is where it selects the exact colors that we would like. So starting here, you just simply click on the colored area you are after, going to layer, new, and layer via cut. And then just to double check that it is doing what you would like, turn off the base layer and you can see it here. So that is working. And then just because of the way we are doing it and using the files into Rhino and then into QGIS, just making sure that your layers are very clear so you don't get confused at any point. Because of this, will make sure that I'm layering, that each layer is named correctly. So just calling this the same as the legend, 0.0 to 0.03 meters, and then so on and so forth. So you just can go through and do that with each layer. I will do another one just to show. So going back to the base map, it will not work if you're in this layer, but one's going back to the base map. So then next is 0.03 to 0.05, which is just here. So then you can see it there, it's selected it, going to layer, new, layer via cut again, and then there you can see it. So naming that layer again, just follow that process for all 6 of the layers from the legend, and then from there we will export.